A lot of people still wonder whether AI is event creators. Personally, I don't think that's something we need to worry about yet. AI can write scripts, it can create images, but for a long time there was still one major limitation. AI characters didn't really feel consistent. Their faces could change from one image to another. Their voices could sound different. And if you wanted to create a long talking video, you usually had to generate dozens of short clips individually. But that's changing.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the same similar type of videos with 3 simple steps. So step 1 is to generate an AI character, and for that we can use ChatGPT. So basically you don't have to know much to generate a character. You just have to go to the ChatGPT and express your ways on how you want your character to be. Like its gender, ethnicity, and anything. Like if you want the character to be in a certain pose, or if you want the character to be doing some certain action. So you basically type how you want your character to be and how, in which style you want your character to be, and ask the GPT to generate an image. So for example, if you look at my screen, I have a typed a prompt on how I want my character to be and how she should be looking and in which position she should be in. So you can basically type in the same way and generate an image for your character. So this is the generated image for my character. It looks good. Basically, if you really want something to be more realistic, so you don't have to write your own prompt. You can just basically ask the ChatGPT to give you a prompt to make your photo to be more realistic. So you can basically use the same prompt that ChatGPT gave you for generating a photorealistic image for your video. So as per my request, the ChatGPT gave me a certain prompt for generating a photorealistic image for my character. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste in the same chat to generate the photorealistic image for my character. So now let's go to Pinterest. On Pinterest, I'm going to search for an example product. I don't think a makeup kit would be a best choice. So instead, I'm going to go with a face cream. As you can see, there are multiple options available. You can simply choose any product image that you like and copy it. So let's go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to open a new chat and add 2 images, my character and the product. So using these 2 images, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a detailed video generation prompt. I already know which video model I'll be using to generate the video. It's Google Flow. Since Google Flow generates 10-second video clips, if I wanted to create a 30-second video, I'll need 3 separate video generation prompts. So I'm going to ask the ChatGPT to create 3 connected prompts with each designed for a different 10-second scene. So that way I can generate all 3 clips in Flow and combine them into one smooth 30-second video. Now we have 2 things ready, our character image and the video generation prompt. Now let's open the Google Flow. Once you open the Google Flow, you'll see an option called New Project. Click on it to start a new project. Inside the project, on the left side, you will see an option called Characters. Click on the Characters. Here you will find an Add from Project option. Click on it and upload your character image we generated earlier using ChatGPT. Once the character is added, you can select a voice for the character from the left side. So for my character, I like lead a voice. So I'm gonna select it. Of course, you can choose any voice you prefer. I'm going to give my character a name. I'm gonna call her Melon. So once the character setup is done, let's go back. So in the chat you will see a plus icon where you can add your character to the video generation. Once you added the character, you can also add the product image that you want to use. So simply upload the product image here as well. Once both the character and the product images were added, we're ready to generate the video. Once the character setup is complete, let's go back to the ChatGPT. Remember the video generation prompt we created earlier. We're now going to copy the master prompt along with the scene 1 and the voiceover. Select all of that, copy it, go back to the Google Flow. So in the chat area where we added our characters, paste the prompt and click generate. So we'll then generate the video based on our character and the prompt. This is the video that I generated for my character.
Okay, this has honestly become one of my favorite little parts of my skincare routine. I've been using this Natural Glow face cream lately, and I really love how simple it feels.
So the video looks pretty good, right? If you still want the prompt I used to generate my first video, you can easily get it from my website. Just go to the Google and search for nadebe.com. Once you land on my website, you will see a beautiful homepage. At the top, you will find a resource option. Click on resources and then use the search option to search for Google Flow. You will see the available sources and documentation related to the Google Flow. Simply choose the one you are looking for and click on it to download. These are completely free documents, so you can download them whenever you need them. And don't worry, I'll be providing all the prompts and resources I used in this video. I'll add all the documents, prompts, master prompts and other useful resources in the video description so you can easily access everything from there.